A dark shadow or vertical band on your Samsung TV can be really distracting, especially when it shows up during movies or bright scenes. The good news is that this is a common issue on Series 5 and newer edgelit models, and it's not always a hardware problem. In many cases, it's caused by settings, lighting adjustments, or temporary glitches that you can fix at home. In this video, I'll walk you through simple and safe steps to help you remove or reduce that shadow. Let's start with a full power cycle, because this can clear small system glitches affecting the display. Turn the TV off and unplug it from the wall. While it's unplugged, press and hold the physical power button for about 15 to 30 seconds to drain any leftover power. Then leave it unplugged for at least 5 minutes, or up to 30 minutes for a deeper reset. After that, plug it back in, turn it on, and check if the shadow is gone. If the shadow is still there, the next step is to adjust the picture settings. Go into the picture menu using your remote and tweak the backlight, brightness, and contrast. Sometimes uneven lighting becomes less noticeable with the right balance. If things still look off, reset the picture settings back to default and check again. Now let's run the built-in picture test, because this helps you understand whether the issue is coming from the panel or from settings. Go to Settings and open Self-Diagnosis, then select Picture Test. On some models, this is under Support, and on newer ones, it may be under Device Care. Start the test and follow the instructions. If the shadow appears during the test, it likely points to a panel or backlight issue. If it does not appear, the problem is more likely related to settings or input sources. Next, check the Eco and Ambient light features. Go to Settings, open General or Eco Solution, and turn off Ambient light detection, Energy saving mode, and motion lighting. These features adjust brightness automatically and can sometimes create uneven lighting or shadow effects. After that, quickly check your cables. Disconnect the HDMI and power cables. Inspect them for damage, then reconnect everything securely. Once done, turn the TV back on and see if there's any improvement. Now check for software updates. Go to Settings, then Support, and open Software Update. Turn on Auto Update or manually check for updates. Updates can improve how the backlight and display behave, so keeping your TV up to date is important. If none of these steps fix the issue, then it may be a hardware-related problem, such as the panel or backlight. In that case, professional repair might be required. That's it for this video on fixing a dark shadow or vertical band on a Samsung TV. By following these steps, you've ruled out the most common causes and know what to check next. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. And if you have questions or want to share what worked for you, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.